So warm welcome students of this academy. This is chapter 10, the verb kinds of verb. Okay. So what is the definition of the verb? So a verb is a word used to say something about some person, place or thing. Okay. So this is the definition given Wren and Martin. Okay. So this definition given by Wren and Martin. So what is the definition of this verb? A verb is a word. Verb एक ऐसा word है जिसे use किया say something about some person. Okay, कुछ बोलने के लिए. Okay, you know that what is a verb? Okay. A verb is a doing or being word. It tells us about the activity of a person or thing. Like Rakesh puts the book on the table. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Action हुआ है. Okay. लखनऊ is a big city. यहाँ पे क्या किया जा रहा है? लखनऊ is a big city. Means लखनऊ एक big city है. Okay. So Ashoka was a great king. That is also right. Okay. Ashoka was a great. अशोक क्या था? एक great राजा था. Okay. विवेक गुप्ता has 2 cows. विवेक गुप्ता के पास 2 cows हैं. So that means यहाँ पे क्या देखो first वाले sentence में action शो हो रहा है. Then being. Okay. And then fourth one में position शो हो रही है. So the verb can be defined. A verb is a word that denotes an action or being or position को show करता है. Okay, what is the kinds of verb? So there are various types of verb. There are various types of verb. Each type has rise to its uses. तो हर उसके जो है यहाँ पे uses लिखे हैं. First हम समझेंगे transitive verb, then second intransitive verb, then linking verbs, then auxiliary modal verbs, and then Dtransitive verb. Okay, so first of all we will understand what is the transitive verb. So transitive verb, a verb is transitive if the action does not stop with the agent. अगर वो stop नहीं होता है, ठीक है? Like but passes from the agent to something else. Nesfield. Okay, this is a definition by Nesfield. But passes from the agent to something else. So like I read a book. Swati is taking tea. Okay, in sentence first and second, the words read and taking are the examples of transitive verb. So इस sentence में क्या है? फर्स्ट सेकेंड चैप्टर में फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड सेंटेंस में आप क्या देख रहे हैं? जो रीड है, टेकिंग है, ये एग्जाम्पल्स हैं आपके ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब्स के. ओके, लाइक अ रीड अ बुक. आई रीड अ बुक. मैं बुक पढ़ता हूँ. स्वाति इज टेकिंग. स्वाति टी ले रही है. ओके, सो आई रीड व्हाट? द आंसर. I read what? The answer is book. Here book is the object. Book is a object word. Okay. Swati is taking what? The answer is tea. So tea is the object and taking is a verb. And read also verb. So thus read and is taking are such word as requires an object to make the sense complete. तो यहाँ पे जो है इसका सेंस जो है कंप्लीट हो रहा है. सब verbs are called transitive. इसी verb को क्या बोलते हैं? ट्रांजिटिव verb बोलते हैं. जैसे read and is taking a such book. Such words as require an object to make the sense. Object क्या करता है? इसका सेंस बनाता है. ठीक है. I read a book. मतलब मैं एक बुक पढ़ता हूँ. स्वाति इज टेकिंग टी. स्वाति टी ले रही है. तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि यहाँ पे जो है एक सेंस बन रहा है, एक सब्जेक्ट कंप्लीट हो रहा है. ठीक है, सेंटेंस कंप्लीट हो रहा है. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. नाउ लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट वर्ब. A verb that requires an object to complete its meaning sense is called a transitive verb. This is a definition of this verb. Okay. Now let's see second intransitive verb. अब intransitive verb किसे कहते हैं? A verb is intransitive when the action. तब क्या होता है? When the action stops. Action क्या होता है? Stop होता है and with the agent and does not pass from the agent to anything else. Okay, ये भी Nesfield में दी है. In other words, a verb that does not require an object to make sense but makes good sense by itself is called an intransitive verb. यानी कि एक ऐसा verb जिसमें require नहीं होता है object. ओके, और इसमें क्या है? केवल सेंस लगता है itself के लिए, तो इसको कहते हैं intransitive. Let's see example. She laughs. मतलब वो हंसती है. I sleep. Okay, he is weeping. Okay, so this type of verb is called intransitive verb. जिसमें क्या है? सिंपल एक क्या है? सेंटेंस है, is है and weeping है. Okay, he is weeping. Simple, he is weeping. Okay, like she laughs. वह हंसती है. I sleep. ऐसा होता तो दिस इज अ टेंसेस वर्ब. ओके, सी laughs, he laughs, like I sleep, we sleep. Okay, he is weeping, she is weeping, like this. So these all are intransitive verb. So what is a linking verb? अब linking verb क्या होता है? So the verb which links, जो ऐसे verb जो link होते हैं या फिर join होते हैं subject with its predicate से in a sentence is called a linking verb. तो उनको ही linking verb हम कहते हैं. And this definition also given by Nesfield. Okay, so Punit is a good boy. Punit एक अच्छा लड़का है. I am a teacher. मैं टीचर हूँ. They are good players. Okay, mother was happy, and you are also a student. You are a student. Okay, so these are linking verb. You are a student. अगर मैं आपके बारे में बोल रही हूँ केवल एक है, you are a student and you are students. Okay, so number of linking verb is very few. For most common link was verb is. B means होता है is, am, was, were. Okay, been, being. So other common linking verbs are appear, seem, become, feel, grow, look, go, get, taste, turn, smell, prove, come, fall, go, keep, and sound. Okay, so on. So auxiliary modal verbs, as you see here in your book, an auxiliary verb is a helping verb. And auxiliary verb क्या होते हैं? एक helping verb होते हैं. It helps to, ये help करते हैं from the tense or mood, उनके tense पे और उनके mood पर of the main verb की. So the chief auxiliary verbs are do, does. कोई chief means होता है मुख्य. Okay, important auxiliary verbs ये हैं. Do, does, did, is, am, are, was, were, be, been, being, has, have, had, shall, will, would. Okay, will, should, would, can, could, may, might, must, need, dare, how to, used to. These all are auxiliary verb. Okay, and इनको हम modal verbs भी कहते हैं. Clear? Now let's see fifth, Dtransitive verb. What is the meaning of Dtransitive verb? So some transitive verb express action. कुछ ऐसे transitive verb होते हैं जो action को express करते हैं. So that affect two object. वो किस पे affect करता है? Two object पे. जैसे कि one directly and the other indirectly. एक direct होता है, indirect होता है. So the object affected directly is called the direct object, and the object affected indirectly is called the indirect object, and is called also the indirect object. So such a transitive verb is called Dtransitive verb. मतलब ऐसे verb जो express करते हैं action को और affect करते हैं to object को. एक direct होता है, एक indirect होता है, and जो object होता है वो affect करता है जो direct way में, उसे कहते हैं direct object. ठीक है, and the object जो affect करता है indirect उसे कहते हैं indirect object. Simple. So such a transitive verb is called a, इसी टाइप के जो verb होते हैं जो transitive verb होते हैं उनको कहते हैं Dtransitive verb. Okay. D means to a verb. D means, what is the D means? To a verb with two object. Okay. A Dtransitive verb affects a direct object and indirect object. दोनों में आते हैं. जैसे he teaches us English. He teaches us Hindi. Okay, वह हमें हिंदी पढ़ाती है, वह हमें हिंदी पढ़ाता है. Uncle sent me a present. अंकल ने मेरे लिए एक प्रेजेंट भेजा. So what is the definition of this verb? Dtransitive verb. So our Dtransitive verb is a verb that states an action affecting two nouns other than the subject of the sentence. Okay, understood? Okay students, so this is your chapter. Okay, the verb kinds of verb. So you have two more time repetition there, and here is the more exercise. So you have to do more exercise and send me on my WhatsApp number. And okay, and I have already sent you office number. So please, if you have any queries, so you can call me or only that office number. Okay, and we have already completed this chapter today. Okay, so we will meet on next day. Okay, thank you.